Right, just a quick video today. Going to fit some new parts to the E46, some new coilovers, bottom arms, new brakes. Tried to film as much as possible, but quite busy, so probably won't get much done. But enjoy watching. Nice set of new DCs, the E46. So, fitted a set of BC BR coilovers to the E46 daily. Also fitted some Mtec pads and discs all around. Some new meyle track rod ends, bottom arms, obviously BC shortened drop links. If you're looking for these BCs, Steve Houstan is your man. Fully adjustable, done on the top, and obviously camber adjustment. Same on the rear. So this is the back. Once again, Mtec brakes and discs and pads fitted. BC coilovers on the rear. They are a little bit dirty because they've been on the car a couple of days. I didn't get the chance to film this when it was on the ramp. So that's it, everything being fitted, BC coilovers, meyle bottom arms, inner and outer track rod ends, Mtec brakes, discs and pads front and rear. If you do need Mtec brakes, we can do your deals on them. We are a supplier, so get in touch. As I said about the coilovers, if you do need a set of BC coilovers or Pro Sports, Steve Houstan is your man. You should find him on Facebook. He's on most of the BMW pages, E46 Kings. Get in touch with him and he'll do you a good deal on him. So thanks for watching. Keep liking and subscribing, and we'll keep the videos coming.